The Blackview BL8000 is a rugged smartphone that packs a punch with its impressive specifications. It comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, ensuring you have ample space for all your apps and files. The 50 megapixel camera captures stunning photos, and the 8800 mAh battery provides extended usage on a single charge. With 33 watts fast charging, you can quickly top up your battery. The 6.788 2.4K FHD display offers vibrant visuals, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G chipset for smooth performance. Running on Android 13, this device supports NFC for convenient transactions. The Blackview BL8000 is designed to withstand tough conditions, making it an ideal choice for those who need a durable and powerful smartphone. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.